Session number 4. Session 3 didn't go too well. I wasn't feeling too good at the end of that one, but that's alright. You're gonna have bad days, you're gonna have good days. Hopefully this is a good one. Look at it. It's November and it's beautiful outside. Wearing shorts, probably should have pants on, but whatever. So what we're gonna do is we did getting it up in the air. Session 1, 2 was foot brake. 3, I was trying to get some distance and get comfortable with the foot brake. Kind of went okay. Hopefully I can carry it out in this one, and by the next couple times maybe I'll be able to move over to the Grom and hit these streets, hit the lot, whatever. Let's go see what happens. Yeah, Ava's here again. We'll see how long she lasts. Doing both feet on the pegs, kind of rolling too this time, and last time I was working on that instead of just having one foot down. So I'll get up just so it's moving. Keep wanting to go to the side there. Keep going to the left. I mean the right. I don't know what to do about that. I almost got it off. I'm starting to feel more comfortable on this thing. The only time I've ridden it is for these wheelie things. So it's not even a bike I'm comfortable with. But that's a big part of it when you're on the street anyhow. I don't know about this stuff, but getting used to a bike's a big thing. Almost bit it.
He just almost hit me.
You gotta be careful. Foot brake. Gotta get used to that stuff. And get back far enough. Gotta get back far enough. Alright. I gotta get back far enough, and I gotta be comfortable with setting back. Let's see how this goes. Foot came off. Got it. All right. Foot brake, foot brake, foot brake. Keep my arms straight. Gotta keep my arms straight. Keep my arms straight.
Yes! I'm not lasting!
What?
Can we record this some other day?
You can be done.
Yay! That's such a leaf pile!
Alright, Ava's gone. Foot braked it down. Foot braked it down. Keep going to the right, that's okay. Just worried about keeping it up. Got it going a little bit. I need to fuck around the foot brake though. Shit! God damn it. Knew I was gonna end up in that creek. Almost. damn it. Well, I don't know. This has got to be getting boring for you guys. So, thanks for coming all. You came all the way this far and watched all the other ones. I think I'm just gonna do like a. I'm just gonna go out, and then every time I almost fuck up, or every time I crash or whatever, maybe I'll just make a sandwich a bunch of episodes together, a bunch of sessions, and then one of these times I'll actually feel more comfortable now for sure. Yeah, we'll see what happens, and I'm actually gonna get on the Grom. And feels so much different being on a Grom. God damn, way different. Brake, 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 brake. This feels like so much shorter. Foot brake, foot brake, foot brake, foot brake, foot. They ride it out easier, that's for sure. Foot brake, foot brake, foot brake. Chase them out easier a lot on this for some reason. What? What? Okay.
Are you still filming?
Yeah.
19 minutes.
You missed me. I almost ran into the creek.
I was watching you guys filming myself talking to myself.
Yeah. Well, I went on the rocks and yeah.
That's where you stopped?
No, I kept going on that and then I switched to this.
Why did you get it on film?
Yeah, I filmed it.
I have to watch that.
That was back a little bit, chasing it out. That wasn't too bad. Still just chasing it out. Getting leaned back though. Getting used to being leaned back. Yeah, so that kind of sucked. I don't know why it did that. That was the first time I did it. The GoPro is one of the reasons I switched to the Purple Panda, because it ended up doing it again when I was out on a group ride. Just all of a sudden, just stopped recording for some reason. Hopefully the new mic fixes it. It seems to be picking up sound a little bit better. Anyhow, so that's what all the MotoVloggers use, so we're just going to run that route. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you. Hopefully you get something out of this, and hopefully I get better at my wheelies. I'll be out in the streets ripping some real ones here soon. Follow my Instagram. I got some free stickers coming at you. Take care. See you on the road. Shit! God damn it.